Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are very excited to unbox one of the great graphics card of current time, a monster of a graphics card, that is the RTX 3090. Here is the box. This is the graphics card from Gigabyte. It has RGB Fusion 2.0, WINDFORCE technology for cooling, OC edition of course, and 4 years warranty, 3 years warranty from our local vendor. This is the 3090 graphics card that has 24 gigabyte of GDDR6 memory. That's huge. This is some information here and the logo here, 3 fans, 24 gigabytes here from Gigabyte. And here is this part, the same information. It supports of course the DirectX 12 Ultimate. This is the back part of the graphics card. As you can see, this is the fans in action. The GPU plate, heatsink, very big, pure copper plate, and heat pipes enhance heat dissipation. The screen cooling means the pass-through cooling. Their naming is screen cooling. This is the back side, protection metal backplate, some RGB Fusion LED RGB lighting there. So let's start on the unboxing. This one logo is very interesting. Eye, like the internal parts of a human eye, robotic of course. So let's dig into the box. Very heavy card, and as you can see, Gigabyte is written here. If you open it, some small covering here. If you put that aside, this is the card. Let's take the card out. Okay, tightly pushed in. Okay, that's that. There is nothing else in the box, so let's put the box away. This is the card. This has been checked in the our vendor, so there is no covering on the graphics card itself. Okay, so very heavy, and this is the back side of the card. Let's flip that aside. So now this is the metal plate. This is also the pass-through design. Some cabling you can see here. There is also a switch like the EOS card from the 3070 one. It has also a small switch here that can switch between two BIOS, like the BIOS OC, mean overclock version, and the silent version. And if you flip this card now, this is the front of the card. It says gaming series. Of course 3090 cards are gaming capable, but this specific card we are going to use in the AI lab, the artificial intelligence lab, for deep learning and machine learning tasks and computer vision. So those tasks to train models and all that, which needs a huge amount of memory for loading bigger models and training the models quickly for research purposes. This card also needs two 8-pin connectors for power here, as you can see, and this is logo in this side, lights up for LED, and there is no more LED in the other sides. So that's the card here, very tall one. So as for the display outputs, there are 5 ports, 1 DP, 3 DPs here and here, and 2 HDMI ports here. It is also too many heatsink and the pipes, and the GPU slot here can be seen here. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. In our next video we'll be looking at all the cards side by side to see the different comparisons and all that. So stay tuned for that video. Please subscribe our channel if you enjoy our content. Like, share, and suggest your friends to subscribe too. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.